Hey, I'm Bama Bob. This is the Revitalize DIP Car Show and Fall Festival. We have it usually the first Saturday of every year. And anyway, we have anywhere from between 75 and 100 cars every year. And we have a good time. Luckily, the weather was just perfect for us. A little cool this morning, but we've had a blast. And seeing all these cool cars show up, lots of food and everything. And if you're a car guy and you didn't come, you missed out.
I agree with you. Thanks. Try it again.
1965 Chevrolet Impala, 396, bored out to a 427 with the 5-speed Trimix transmission, positive traction rear end, 370 gears, 5-speed.
That's beautiful, man.
Digital dash.
What's your name?
Jesse Ridgeway.
Thank you, Jesse. Appreciate that. What do we got here?
Hey, my name's Matt Perry. I'd like to tell you about my 1953 Chevrolet Bel Air. Been chopped 6 inches. It's airbagged. Got the lace paint, old school lace on the top, as you can see.
That is really neat, man. Right down to that.
It's got just a typical small block 305 Chevrolet with a 350 Chevrolet transmission in it. Old school lake pipes, 4-bar hubcaps, everything you want from the 60s model car.
Caddy bullets, I saw them.
Yes, got the 59 Cadillac tail lights in it, got a 56 Chevrolet front bumper on it, added some extra teeth from a 54 grill.
You got it all, man. This is
Gotta
great.
love it.
This thing I love. Early custom, full custom.
Thank you.
This is not a mild custom. This is
All right, now we're moving on to the oldest cars, 1949 and older. The winner is Harold Courtney.
What kind of car?
1929 Ford Coupe.
Want me to say something?
Yeah, go ahead.
I don't know what to say. That's a 1943 Roadmaster Schwinn. The frame is original, but the rest is all from LA, California.
LA. Excellent.
Schwinn Roadmaster.
1943.
Wow. It's got 288 spokes.
280.
288 spokes.
And what's your name?
I'm Jason.
Jason, thank you.
Nice to meet you, sir.
Next number, Grand Mariner, $25 gift card, 391-822. 822.
All right. Fat tires and blowers. Okay, man.
I don't see anybody.
Here we go. Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas.
What you eating there, Santa?
Chicken.
Chicken. That's healthy. That's
I
good.
had fish.
You had fish. The two of you are very healthy.
turbo diesel, 4-cylinder, 4-wheel drive, double cab. It's only got 3 doors, but they call it double cab.
Okay.
And it originally came out of Switzerland for the Swiss Forestry Service.
Yeah.
I got the original paperwork on it from when they did the first maintenance until it came over to, came into California first. But it was rebuilt from Switzerland. They took it up to Poland and rebuilt the whole thing.
Wow.
So it's totally rebuilt. The guy that got after that, he put disc brakes all the way around. He fixed up the turbo diesel. I got gauges all up in front there. I have no idea what they're for, but
Cool.
right there.
And what's your name?
Right, John Joe Dec.
Okay, John.
That's DEC, just like this month is December.
Yeah.
That just
Okay.
That thing looks like you see that from like Germany or something. Yeah, right. Wow. But yeah, like, you know, you're talking about engines and everything, but engines like that are not one over there.
I don't wait. What thing is coming?
62 Buick, deuce and a quarter, and a lot of people had to figure out what that 225 stand for.
What does it stand for?
That's the length of it.
I didn't know that.
That's the length.
I just
of it.
learned something
Yes,
new.
Sir. It's a fun car. Sure
Okay.
is.
And what's your name?
My name is Kenneth Dees.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
How long have you had this car?
I've had it now about 14 months.
Nice.
Yes.
Well, I got a video of some of it here.
Okay.
I like the skirts on it.
Yeah.
225 inches.
Yes, sir. Exactly.
Wow.
Right near Signal. Is that car? I touch it for you.
I did notice.
Look at this paint.
For so long, it exceeds parking limits. Yeah, like,
No, not really. A 326. Look at that. Whew. And this is your car.
Yes, sir.
What can you tell me about it?
It's a 455 in it now. It
All
used to
right.
be a 327, 455 with the Ram air system on it.
Nice.
It's got the 4-speed monthly transmission. All original. Original paint,
Yeah, I can see that.
original interior, and been pretty much worked on from front to back.
I can see that.
Everything pretty much brand new.
And what year is it?
1966 Pontiac LeMans.
That's it. This is something else. Here's my first car right here.
I look good. I don't be in there,
Here we go. So what do we got on this car?
Okay, we got a 1989 11 with the air-cooled engine. I can walk around and show you that in just a second. We got the roll cages. It's not concourse. When I bought it, it wasn't concourse. I had it repainted and redone on the inside. I put the lightweight door panels and redid the steering wheel and put a new shifter on it, and she's just driving great now. She really is.
Yeah, let's see the engine. Oh, we got the vintage. Ooh, beautiful.
It's an air-cooled engine like a motorcycle. This is a fan that keeps it cool. It's also got a lot of oil in it that keeps it cool.
Cool. I like your plate.
The vintage.
Yeah.
I always wanted one that said Porsche on the back. This has got dual exhaust. It's not concourse. It's redone that way.
Cool.
Got the air conditioner.
What's your name?
My name's Bob Zimmerman.
Hey, Bob.
I'm from Mobile. I live on the bay over here, and thank you for having me for interview.
Calling the tuna. Who's in cruise control here anyway? I'll tell you who. Me.
BMW 2002.
And if they don't like it, they can stick shift it in their exhaust pipe and choke it. And smoke it. This is Max 23, brought to you by...
Look at that blower, baby. Woo!
Sorry, but if they think I'm endorsing car accessories, they've got another...
Come on.